front of me a Maglock. It's a 12 volt DC or 24 volt DC. So it comes in this outer box here, and all the component parts that come within the pack are in front of me here. So the basic idea of this is what you have is it's giving a force of about 300 kg in terms of the how difficult it would be to open the door, and it's got integrated surge protection and all the rest of it. And the idea is to keep the door locked, and then you hit a release switch and it'll open and then automatically lock again afterwards. So it's a security, ease of use type of mechanism. Okay, so we have a little instruction manual that comes in it here. So you can just see here, and it gives an overview actually of the different ways and associated brackets you can use for mounting it on a door. Okay, so basically anyway, there's two parts to it. There's the actual magnet part here. Okay, so you can see this. So this is going to be mounted on the fixed frame. Okay, always anyway. And what happens here is that we pass the electrical current through it. It'll grab onto the other part here, which is the piece of metal that'll be on the door. And what happens then is that when the circuit's going through, unless it's broken, it's just holding it tightly in position like that, and it holds the door closed. So if we look, all the metal here is aluminium on this part here. The magnet, this part here is obviously steel. And I'm just going to undo this thing here. So this is the only part that we really need to do when we're wiring this up. So if we were looking at this mounted on a wall, what we'd have is we'd mount it here. There'll be a little LED light here in the bottom. You'll often notice that if you're going out through an emergency door or something like that, there'll be a little LED light shining down here. And what we'll do is we'll run normally the electrical wiring along like this in here, and that's what we hardwired in there. Okay, so we do the wiring in there like that. So the bolt that we have here, we'll say there's some washers with it and all the rest of it. So generally what will happen is we drill a hole directly through the door. We put this key through, and we put this on the far side, and we just lock it through there, and we just tighten it up till it's locked in. So this is what's going to pull on the outside of the door, so it's sort of a flange pull on it. And then we have this on this side here as well. Okay, there's Allen keys that come with it here as well. Now, possible accessories that you would buy with this, it's quite interesting, is we would come along here and we would have something like this bracket here. So this is the most typical format for the bracket here. So what we do actually is when we'll be mounting this. So this isn't part of the product, but it's association product with it. So what we do is we come along and we just mount this directly onto the door frame, for instance, like that. And then this base part here will go on and hold on our bracket here like this. So we could mount it directly that way. Now, there is a possibility, we'll say, in certain circumstances. So that's pretty well always the way you could do it. Now, you could mount it over on the side here like this as well. And that's another way of doing it. Or we have another type of bracket that will go with it here, where we're using this for actually holding this instead of directly onto the door and slightly above. Okay, so that's pretty well how we go with it here. So we've gone with RGL, the manufacturer on this particular one here, and we just wanted to go with well-known brand things on it and what people out there in the industry are using. So the access control thing is very big, and also it's something that sits extremely well with our overall product range. Price point we have here at freetv.ie, very, very attractive, because we price checked all the products against what the marketplace price was before we decided to enter this market here, and we know that we'll be certainly in the very low percentile in terms of the price, and the fact that we're selling all the brand name products just can people give confidence immediately. So we have all these in stock, so all ready to go. With associated products, and also we sell them as kits as well, so you can come along and buy kits directly that'll do everything for the doors from beginning to end in a single kit you can buy and install it directly. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Maglock for 12 and 24 DC systems.